So foldable phones might be about to get a lot more interesting, because Samsung could be secretly working on something we've never really seen from them before. According to a fresh leak from a well-known Chinese tipster, Samsung is reportedly preparing a mysterious new foldable device that's currently being referred to as the Galaxy Wide Fold. And the name itself already hints at what could make this phone different. Instead of the tall, narrow book-style design we've become used to, this device could introduce a wider, more passport-like form factor. Now on paper, the main display is still expected to be around 7.6 inches, which sounds very similar to current Galaxy Fold models. But the real change might come from the aspect ratio. A wider layout could make multitasking feel more natural, videos more immersive, and overall usability just less awkward. Because let's be honest, while foldables are incredibly futuristic, they still don't always feel perfectly optimized for everyday use. Performance also doesn't seem like it's going to be an issue here. The device is rumored to run on Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which could easily place it among the most powerful Android phones of its generation. And when you combine flagship-level performance with a large foldable screen, the experience could feel genuinely next level. Battery details have also started to surface. The leak suggests Samsung might be using a dual-cell battery setup with a rated capacity of around 4,660 mAh and a typical capacity closer to 4,800 mAh. For a large foldable device that could translate into solid endurance, especially if Samsung manages to improve efficiency on both the chip and display side. But this isn't just about one experimental device. It looks like Samsung's overall foldable strategy is becoming much more aggressive. A recent industry report claims the company is aiming to boost foldable smartphone sales by roughly 10% in the next generation. That's a pretty strong signal that Samsung sees foldables not as a niche anymore, but as a major pillar of its future lineup. In fact, combined sales targets for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8 are reportedly set at around 6.7 million units. And production numbers paint an even clearer picture. Sources suggest Samsung could manufacture about 3.5 million units of the Fold 8 alone, while the Flip 8 might see production between 2.5 and 3 million units. Interestingly though, pricing could become one of the biggest battlegrounds this year. Early reports indicate Samsung may try to keep the starting price of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 unchanged compared to its predecessor. And the reason might not just be consumer demand, it could be competition. Because Apple is widely expected to finally enter the foldable space with its first foldable iPhone. And if rumors are accurate, Apple could be targeting sales of up to 15 million units for that first generation. That's a massive number for a brand new category product. Even more importantly, the rumored price sits at around $2,000, which puts it directly in line with Samsung's Fold series. If Apple launches at that price point, Samsung would face true ultra-premium foldable competition for the very first time. And to prepare for that possibility, Samsung is reportedly exploring ways to reduce production costs. One strategy being discussed involves expanding its supplier network and sourcing more components from Chinese manufacturers instead of relying heavily on South Korean partners. This move could help Samsung offset rising chipset and component costs, allowing the company to maintain competitive pricing without sacrificing too much profit margin. And in a market where innovation is expensive and competition is getting fiercer, that kind of flexibility could make a huge difference. So between a potentially wider new foldable design, ambitious sales targets, and the looming arrival of Apple's first foldable iPhone, it genuinely feels like the foldable phone market is about to enter its most important phase yet. The question now is no longer whether foldables are the future, but which company is going to define what that future actually looks like. If you're excited to see how this foldable battle plays out, make sure you stay tuned, because the next few months could completely reshape the premium smartphone space.